already pulled out. This is really just a drag and drop thing. So here's my program from my show, and I drag it in here. I'm going to remember to double click to manipulate the photo, and I can size it in, and I can take my time and really get it in there perfect. But for the purposes of this, I'm just going to leave it like that. You get the idea. And then you just keep grabbing your photos. Now, this one has the background removed. I'll go over that really quickly, but we're just going to place a few more just like that. That's it. And then here, your text, you highlight what you want to change. Up here is your font menu. Change your font if you would like. Change your size of it. Change the color of it. Over here, you can change the opacity of it, like so. Up here, you can also change your text, a nice little quote or song lyric. In the very, very back is a lot. You can take that out if you wish, or you can use that and put in a whole song or whatever you wish back there. Maybe a special note or like so. You can take it out. And it's really that simple. To remove the background, you go to Adobe Express, Quick Actions, or Remove Background, upload your photo. And all you do is take the photo that you want, drag it in here, and it will remove the background, and then you will download it to your computer, and then you will upload it into your Canva, and then you can just drop it in. Now, how we import into Canva is a good question. Let's do that. Over here, you would go to Uploads, and you can either drag and drop everything in like that, or you can go, when you open up Uploads, you can go up and it will say Upload Files, and you can go find them on your computer. When you are finished with your project, over here, and we're going to have to move this so you can see it, Share, Download, and you most likely want a PNG and a PDF. You can also do a JPEG. Obviously, anything on here you can do for yourself, and then just make sure to print at 100%. I wanted to go over a few more things in depth in case you want to really get creative with this. There's no limit to what you can do. So I want to go over how I made these. A lot of it is similar. So all of this stuff actually stayed exactly the same. The only thing I did different here was instead of just putting that program in, I ran it through Adobe Express first and then plopped it in, and then the background was gone. And I sized it by double clicking, and you can rotate here with the rotate. You can move all elements, all layers around from back to front. So you can go into layers here and find the image you're looking for, and you can pull that down, and then that image will be behind the other images. And then to move her back, you can go back into layers. There is an alternate way. You can go to arrange, and you can go to front, and that will take it right to the front. There's some other things here that might be of interest. To back, backward means take it back a layer. It goes one layer at a time. Forward goes one layer at a time forward. To front and to back, obviously sends to the front and the back. And then here is some aligning. This is more what we would use for text. I'm not really going to go over that because I don't really think that you're going to use that for this. That would be that for that one. Now down here, what I did was we started out with just the one box, like so. And I ran this photo through Adobe Express so that the background was removed, and I plopped it in. So what I would do here is I would actually take the box that I have and I would duplicate it. So let's go to the actual template here, like so. You would take that, you would Command C, Command V, you've got another box. Just size that down, the size that you want your images to be. Okay, so this would be our first one. So we'll bring that one over here like this. And then we want to grab one more, and then run those images through Adobe Express, right? And bring them back in, and they will have the backgrounds removed. And for this one, I actually ended up removing that box because, as you can see, I had this element take up the big space, and then everything else stayed the same. We just put in our text. Some text got erased. I can take the layers out. I can take the lyrics out of that one. I felt like it was a little bit busy with that anyway, so I left that for the video to show you guys how to do that. This one, as you can tell, I kind of leave all of these the same. It's just easier that way, but I like to try to be creative with these. So this was one where it was the one solid box, and let's say you did this and you didn't like it, you just delete, bring that one back, like so, and then copy and paste there, and like basically you're putting your program back where it was. You might not use it for a program, but Same size, you just want your picture box to be about there. Up here, I found a hula hoop element that I liked. You go into elements and type in whatever you want to look for. I already looked for hula hoops once. We'll just use the search I already used. We'll go to photos. It was this one. I made a new document. I put it in here. I enlarged it really, really big. I went to share, download, JPEG, and I only want to select the page I want to download, and that is page 5. And I downloaded it, and then I ran it through Adobe Express, and I took the background out. And then I brought it back by uploading it and dropping it into where the program box was. And then I had an element instead of adding another picture there because I thought it was too busy to put another photo there. So that's a unique idea that you can use for anything that you have going on: ice skating, cheerleading, dance, theater. You can always go into the Canva elements and find some free stuff to throw in there and make it look really cool. And all these boxes can be moved around, so you don't have to worry about that. And we went over back to front. Let's go over layers one more time. These are all your layers right here. And this one we didn't really go over. It's kind of a background, just like an extra little, I'll bring it to the front and I will make the transparency 100 so you can see it. It's kind of like a bokeh blur type thing going on. It's just a fun little texture to add to the background there. You can get rid of it if you don't like it. You can change the color of it if you wish. You can also change the background color. So to do that, you want to go up to here where we just were and go to your background, which is this solid one here. And you can change it to anything you want. Okay, so that covers a little more in depth. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Definitely contact me if you have questions or ideas or slight modifications to this template. I'm happy to do that for you. All right, well, thank you so much. Bye-bye.